Yo, today is day 9. Today's topic is learning. So, we live in a knowledge era. It is great. We are filled to the brim with learning. We have libraries, we have the internet, we have schools, we have podcasts, we have books. You can learn one-on-one with people. So, there is really I try to make excuses, but there's no excuses for not learning. So I try to get 1% better every day. It's a small amount, but it makes a big difference over time. I try to be curious. I try to tinker with things. If there's anything I want to learn, I'll look on the internet and see what I can learn. Even talking to a camera, I am learning right now. And I think I'm getting better. But that's debatable. So, learn, become better, be curious. And once you learn something, try to teach it to somebody else. Play it forward. Once I accumulate some knowledge, I try to pass it on to somebody. Be my niece or my brother, my mom. Hell, even if I forgot something and I want to, teach myself, I don't know how that works. I can do it. Go out and learn. Learning's fun. Be curious. Tinker. Learn. And that's the topic from today. Day 9. Tomorrow's day 10. Double digits. Woo! I'll see you next time. Bye. I think we're getting faster. We're getting faster. We're getting faster. We're moving forward and getting faster.